Hey guys, and welcome to the video. We're now in North Carolina. The weather has been really cold and we want to make it as down south as possible. And also Yvonne's family is here, so we're just stopping by. We are currently on our way to Asheville to spend 2 days at a cabin. And Yvonne's sister and her boyfriend is going to join us. It's going to be a chill time.
After spending a couple of days with my family, we then drove to a national forest. We're home!
Awesome driving.
Thank you, thank you.
Super off-road,
yeah.
Down a hill.
Going down that hill. What? I went over this branch. Look at that.
We are at Uwharrie. Uwharrie. It's a national forest here in North Carolina. This is our first national forest, and we're gonna stay here for I think 1 or 2 nights.
It's going to be our first campfire. There's some wood.
Yeah.
Dry wood.
I'll just walk around, see what we got.
We'll definitely do that.
I have an axe, so for this wood, if it's dry enough, maybe I could cut it up.
There's a lot of wood, I'm sure, somewhere here.
Yeah. Let's set up camp. We decided that since it's not going to be raining and it's not going to be too cold, I mean, it'll drop into like the 30s, but we didn't see a reason to put up the annex. And it was a good chance to actually see how we could set this up without the annex. This is going to be the kitchen. That's the bathroom. And we put the dinner table right over here. So now, since we have this fire pit, I'm going to go scavenge for some wood. So I found a bunch of wood, somewhat dry. It's definitely dead, but I think tonight we're gonna have a campfire. We did it, babe. Our first camping fire. And what's for dinner tonight?
Burgers and salad.
Burger, salad. Are we gonna get some bacon? I think we should do the bacon on the grill. It's so quiet here. The only thing that you could hear is just like some airplanes flying by, but we have no signal. Not a car has driven by. We have the place to ourselves. We're camping. This is like beginner level, but we're just gonna continue growing, continue learning, and we're hoping by the time we get to the Midwest, we could take some like really nice long excursions out and find some really nice campgrounds. Sun's down. We got the first meal on the fire. It's bacon, it's a burger, it's tomato, it's a lettuce, it's avocado, it's cooked onions, it's cheese, And then we have 2 Greek salads.
This is...
Look at that. This is something you would pay for, all right? This is something you'd pay for right here.
And this is like... What?
Look at that. Wow.
Mmm.
Wow.
The grill, you could taste it.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Hold up. Getting smoke over here, guys. Yeah, so we're just gonna eat up and chill out by the fire, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. So, what's next for us? Where we are right now, we don't have internet service. We have cell signal, but no internet service. So, we don't even know what we're going to be doing tomorrow, but we're going to be leaving. One thing that we've come to the conclusion of is that we could always count on a national forest. You could just come find a campsite and that's it. So, that's our plan A. I think we're going to have to kind of work our way south because we are behind schedule from when we initially wanted to start this trip. We wanted to start it in September so that we could go through all the states on the East Coast and then get our way into Texas. But obviously, when you're planning something like this, there's always things that you have to make sure before you go, and you know, getting the car ready took some time. So that's where we are right now. I guess right now we're just gonna hang out, get some work done, and see you guys later. Yvonne is making some Philly cheesesteak sandwiches, and I guess I'll just show you the trail around here. There's a small trail right over there, but this is the trail that I took yesterday to get some firewood. One thing that I've been trying to learn is how to find trails, how to find camping locations, because although we could just drive into a national forest, knowing where are like campsites that are nice, I guess, it's not easy knowing what is in the forest itself. You could just find a trail, go down it, but it's not always the best because if you get to the campsite and it's already occupied, now you have to find the new campsite. I've been looking online. I just got like Gaia GPS, and that's a great like off-road GPS system. And then I'm using a couple of apps where other people put locations. So like this location over here wasn't on the app that we use, which is iOverlander. And I guess we're gonna just put that in so other people could come by and they could camp at that location as well. All right, so it's 5 o'clock. We're gonna start cooking dinner, which we said was chicken quesadilla with rice and beans.
It's gonna be so good.
Mm-hmm. I think we're gonna end the video here. We're gonna enjoy this dinner. Tomorrow we're gonna hit the road. We still don't know what we're gonna do because once we get service, once we get internet service, then we'll figure it out. If you guys want to see a little bit of what goes on, you know, kind of up to date, you could follow our Instagram. It's in the description below. Whenever we do get service, we do post what we're doing at the time.
Mm-hmm.
So you could follow that. And yeah, we hope to see you all in the next one. Hope you enjoyed this video, and take care.
Bye!